चवथ लागीं पावला. चवथी निमतान गोमंतक टीव्ही आणि गोमंतक यंग इन्स्पिरेटर्स नेटवर्क चवथीच्या म्हत्वाच्या घटकांचेर विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर कार्यशाळा आयोजीत करता. हाचोच भाग म्हूण गोमंतकान शेनवारा पणजेच्या धेंपे कॉलेजींत रंगोली वर्कशॉप आयोजीत केल्ले. ह्या वेळार मन भुलोवपा सारक्यो सुंदर अश्यो वेगवेगळ्या तरांच्यो रांगोळ्यो एसिस्टंट प्रोफेसर आनी रंगोली एक्सपर्ट करिश्मा पार्सेकार हिणें विद्यार्थ्यांक शिकयल्यो. ह्या वेळार धेंपे कॉलेजीची प्रिन्सिपल वृंदा बोरकर, शिक्षक आनी विद्यार्थी हाजीर आशिल्ले.
Today we have joined here for the Rangoli workshop, right? So basically my schedule will be in this manner. First I'm going to tell you all about Rangoli because this is our traditional culture of India. Then I'm going to show you some demo wherein I will show you, and after that I will give you some tips, the precautions to be an Rangoli artist. And the end we are going to do the demo.
The students who have joined for the workshop, and I appreciate also for Gomantak Sakal group for organizing such type of workshop in the colleges, motivating the youngsters for taking forward our art, and that is Rangoli. Actually it is Rangavali. Ranga is the color, and with that you are writing with colors. So Rangavali, we are going to have the workshop now. Thank you all